This is the best video I've ever recorded. This snow is deep. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's deep. Just let me get out the way. Because we're having a snow blizzard. Hang on, Jaden. Dang. Look. But man, Jaden's always calling me at the worst times. But yeah, anyway, just look at it. This is a snow blizzard. This is a snow blizzard. You see how deep the snow is? You see how deep the snow is here? You see how my foot just went like that in the snow? I feel like I live in Alaska. So, this is how the snow is in Oklahoma. And if you think it's bad now, just wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow, the snow is going to be more deep. And let me show you something. Hang on. You know the snow is deep when it fills up, when it gets high like this on the concrete. You know the snow is deep. That's when you know the snow is deep, is when it fills up like this on the concrete. Look at our car. Oh yeah, there's snow shooting out of this thing. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but the snow is getting deep. Just look at my shoes. Just look at my shoes. I've been alive for 15 years, and it's never snowed like this. Well, actually, it actually has snowed like this, but it was only for one day. And my dog right here, she wants to go outside to use the bathroom, but I already told her she does not want to go outside. She does not want to go outside. And when I make a top 20 countdown for this channel, I promise you it's gonna be on the countdown. I promise you. Alright, well, y'all try to stay safe. Because we were driving in the snow last night, and my mom had to drive real slow.